hindi sasama sa programa ng barangay, lalo na yung mga ayuda ng local na government institution, pag yung bawang hindi nagparehistro. So, we need clarificatory questions with regard to this resolution. Kasi kawawa naman yung mga hindi nagparehistro. Eh, solo parents yun. Ikagay ni Peter, eh, solo parents yan.
Multiple parents.
Parang motion to clarificatory questions. O, di, litigation mo.
Motion to invite the barangay to
Clarificatory questions.
resolution ng
Taken.
There's a motion to include resolution number 116 in the agenda for next meeting. Duly seconded, resolution number 116, series of 2025 of Barangay Baisa shall be included in the agenda of the next meeting, and the barangay concerned be invited for clarificatory questions. Next, Ordinance number 005, series of 2024. Barangay Council Ordinance requiring all employees of business establishment operating or engaged in business within the jurisdiction of Barangay Baisa, catering, in cooked foods and refreshment juices to use hairnets and spit guard of face masks during the course of their duty. Any comments from the resource?
motion to include
Organization.
organization or regulatory question
There's a motion to include ordinance number 005, series of 2024 in the agenda of the next meeting. Duly seconded, ordinance number 005, series of 2024 of Barangay Baisa shall be included in the next meeting. In the agenda of the next meeting, and barangay concerned shall be invited for clarificatory question.
May nagot tayo, nakabasa na gitna ha.
Next, Barangay Bagong Silangan. Barangay Resolution number 085, series of 2025. A resolution designating camp focal persons and camp coordinators in all evacuation centers within Barangay Bagong Silangan, Quezon City for effective camp management and coordination during emergencies. Any comments?
Just minor correction lang, Madam Chair. Kasi palagay ko yung nagtatayip dito. Kaya, I always remind the Sangguniang Barangay that pag it should be seconded not by the all members of the Sangguniang Barangay present. Andito na naman yung dispositive function niya. Hindi na naman na siya nag-charge doon sa title ng ginawa niya. So, in this, Madam Chair, I hope that we include, no? We include in the next regular session, we're in Barangay Resolution number 086 for Community.
There's a motion to include Barangay Resolution number 085, series of 2025 of Barangay Bagong Silangan with the agenda of next meeting. And second, duly seconded, Barangay Resolution number 085 of Barangay Bagong Silangan shall be included in the agenda of next meeting. And the barangay concerned shall be invited for clarificatory questions. Next, Barangay Resolution number 086, series of 2025, a resolution establishing a mental health and psychosocial support systems in Barangay Bagong Silangan, Quezon City, in accordance with Republic Act number 11026 or the Mental Health Act. Any comment from the members?
motion to include
There's There's a motion to include barangay resolution number 086 series of 2025 in the agenda of next meeting. Duly seconded, barangay resolution number 086 series of 2025 shall be included in the agenda of next meeting, and barangay concern shall be invited for clearing of the third one. Next, barangay Batasan Hills. Resolution number 35 series of 2025, a resolution congratulating and commending Jesse Picar Jr., a resident of Batasan Hills, for being valedictorian of the Philippine Military Academy Siklandaya class of 2025, thereby bringing honor and pride to Batasan Hills and inspiring the entire barangay. Any comments from the members?
Unless the other member could make any comments from the chair, I think it will approval, the resolution of 35 of Barangay Batasan Hills.
Second.
There's a motion to approve resolution number 35 series of 2025, duly seconded. Resolution number 35 series of 2025 of Barangay Batasan Hills is now passed in. Next, resolution number 42 series of 2025, a resolution expressing admiration and support to the initiative of the Lupon Panakumayapak Batasan Hills District 2060 Dog as Lupon Fan Games Land. Any comments from the member?
Bilang favor the next hearing, resolution 42, resolution 5.
Ano ang observation mo? Pin-approval na sa una. Approve.
There's a motion to include resolution number 42 series of 2025 in the agenda of the next meeting.
Okay na sa
Duly seconded, resolution number 42 series of 2025 shall be included in the agenda for next meeting, and the barangay concern shall be invited for clarificatory questions. Next, resolution number 43 series of 2025, a resolution approving the conduct of activities in line with the celebration of the National Nutrition Month for July 2025, and the corresponding allocation of funds amounting to 100,000 pesos as submitted and recommended by the Barangay Nutrition Committee of Batasan Hills District 2 Quezon City. Any comments from the member?
Hindi,
I hope so, no?
43 yan.
So,
43 ba ito?
to include the, this in the resolution number 43, the next meeting, and invite the